Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a get ready with me of how I do my hair and how I do my makeup, my full glam makeup. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow me on my Instagram, and follow me on my Twitter. So yeah, let's go and get right into it.
Location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you initially. I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Tell me to understand nothing. Go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place, time and place. Send me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Send me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place, time and place. Send me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Send me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Send me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Your location, focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me.
Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and please click that notification bell. You'll get notified every time I post, and follow my social medias on Twitter and Instagram. I will put everything down in the description. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.